You've created is AI assisted in your time?
I've dedicated my life to making knowledge accessible to all. During my time, the printing press ignited a knowledge revolution.
Artificial intelligence is the next big wave of technological change. We had the internet coming along, then we had the growth of social media. Now artificial intelligence is going to transform the way that so many aspects of our lives are going to change, from medicine to policing to education, and that includes the news media.
Intelligence is curating that content. It's showing it to you in a way that keeps you on that platform. And our communications today is being affected by artificial intelligence through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok and others.
I'll give you a great example. Elon Musk talks about the risks of AI. And he's been talking about it for probably the last decade. But he's also pushing the envelope and pushing the forefront when it comes to artificial intelligence. He's actually building self-driving cars, AI systems, and deploying it to the world. Because this is what we need to be doing. We need to understand what the fears are, but also try to advance the good applications of AI across our countries.
Showcased by the towering skyscrapers of Singapore.
The global weather conditions, the temperatures are getting higher. We are facing very cold winters, very warm summers. We are trying to implement more green energy resources and try to actually transfer our industry on using more green energy and with wind energy in order to decrease the level of pollution in our country. If we don't do anything, well, I think this planet is going to collapse one or another way. I don't mean we are going to disappear, but the people are going to live in really bad conditions. Our kids are not going to have a bright future, and I think it's the latest moment for us to take some steps in order to provide a better future for our kids and for the next generation. Not to leave them this planet totally destroyed, but to have a great green place to live and to work.